I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to clean out the Instant Pot after you get the dreaded burn notification. So oftentimes if the Instant Pot says burn, you can actually just keep cooking, but you will find usually afterwards that something has gotten stuck onto the bottom of the pot, and that's usually what the burn message is indicating. So your meal will probably still come out fine, but then when it's time for cleanup, you'll notice that it's a big challenge. So the first thing you want to do is take the Instant Pot and soak it in the sink with a little bit of soap, and I usually do that overnight, as you can see here. Now, my next step is to get in there with a sponge. Try to get something that's pretty abrasive. You can put a little bit of baking soda in there too if you want to, and just scrub and try to get as much of the stuff out of the pot as possible. And if it's soaked well overnight, that'll handle a lot of it. Now, drain it out, and you'll see there's probably still some stuff stuck in the bottom there, little bits. So I like to get a plastic kind of scraper, like a spatula. Don't use metal or you might scratch the finish there, and just kind of clear out the rest of that stuff. Now when you're done, rinse it off, make sure you've got the lid and everything cleaned off as well and the vent reattached, and then you're good to go. You should be clean at that point. So remember, soak, scrub it down with a sponge, and then scrape off any extra little bits with a plastic scraper.